is Ali J. Vastani, and I'm a visual artist and a photographer. I teach photography and visual arts at various different campuses. So, the this group of people you see in this photo are my students from Ikra University, semester fall 2019. And in the end of the semester, I usually take picture with my students. So we set up a tripod and a camera, DSLR camera, and we took this picture on a timer. So unfortunately there was a mistake because we were in a hurry, so we ignored this thing that there's a lot of dead space uh, here in this picture, and it's not looking nice. So as soon as I realized that this dead space is not looking nice, I took another picture of the building, which is this. So now I'm going to show you how to fix this image, and I would actually use this background and place the entire group here somewhere on the bottom of the frame. So this is camera raw. I have done a few slight trims, color corrections and editing on these pictures to match the color and the environment of both the pictures, so it looks exactly same. So I'm going to show you how it's done. I'll open both of these images here in Photoshop, and here it is. This is the group photo which needs to be fixed, and this is the background. Okay, so what I'm simply going to do is that I'll select this entire thing by pressing Ctrl A and then Ctrl C. So this is copied now. Now I'm going to paste this by Ctrl V here on top of this photo. Okay, now simply I'm going to select this arrow, and with my keyboard shortcut arrow keys I am going to drag this down a bit where I want it to be. It looks nice over here. So now you see that there's a problem with this, the background, it looks weird. So I'm going to fix this. I'll take help from guides. So now as I see, there's some rotation issue as well. This is a bit tilted toward left side. It doesn't look nice. So I'll fix this first. I'll press Ctrl T on my keyboard, or you can go to edit and transform, and you can select rotate. So I'm going to simply rotate this so this looks straight like this. Yeah, so now everybody looks straight in the straight plane. Okay, so I'm going to press enter on my keyboard. Now I would actually remove this part of the building, so that in the background there's this entire building up that will come behind this photo. So first of all, I need to unlock this layer. This is a background layer and it's locked. So I'll right click on it, I'll make a duplicate layer of it, and I'll press OK, and then I'll get rid of this locked layer. I don't need it anymore. So I just simply drag it and drop it here in the delete dustbin icon. Okay, now I will select the layer above on top again. I'll use this guide and place it here somewhere. Yeah, this is nice. And I'll make another guide and place this here. Now simply I'll select the marquee tool, and I'll select this space, select eraser, and simply erase this entire thing. Yes, this looks better now, but I need to fix this part as well, right? So I'll just press Ctrl D for deselecting. I'll rearrange my guide here. Most probably I'll select the marquee tool again, select eraser and simply delete this part as well. Okay, I need to do some fine trimming because I see more issues here. Do you see these issues? Yeah. So what I'll do is this is double beam, uh, and this double beam is not looking nice, so I need to get rid of this as well. Okay, so I'll select, this time I'll select polygonal lasso tool. I'll simply draw and make my selection here. And where it goes, make my selection here again. Okay, so I'll erase this part as well. Yeah, it looks nice. Control D. Then I need to fix this area as well. Again, I'll take polygonal lasso and I'm going to select this part. I'll also get rid of this part as well. Okay. Again, by the use of eraser, I'm going to rub this off. Control D. There's some issue over here as well. I'll select this part as well. Yeah. Again, with the help of eraser, rub this off. Control D. Okay, so this looks like the image looks like this for now, but there is something else. Like, as you can see, this space, I rotated this image. So there's a slight space over here, so that needs to be fixed as well. So what I will simply do is that I'll crop this thing later, but right now I need to fix the background. Okay, so in order to do that, I will go to edit, transform and distort. The reason I'm doing distort is that the building behind looks weird because of picture was taken twice, so the perspective is not matching. So I'm going to match the perspective now, like this. I'm distorting the picture actually. Yeah, I can simply press enter. With the help of arrow keys on my keyboard, I'm moving the entire image. Okay, this looks better now. Okay, this needs to be up because you might want to see the windows. Okay, so this looks better now. The only thing you need to fix is that this space is empty and there is some space over here. So I'm going to simply crop my entire image by going to select crop. I'll simply keep pressing shift. I'll simply crop this image like this. Okay, I'll press enter on my keyboard, and I think this is pretty much it. Let's see the entire photo. Yeah, it looks decent, and I don't find any perspective errors and issues in it. So this is it, guys. I'll be sharing more of such videos of Photoshop tutorials of how to fix things in photography, and I would like you all to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon, and I'll be sharing more of such videos regarding photography, visual arts and Adobe Photoshop fixes and everything. So stay tuned for it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.